kiwi, dates, banana, tiger nut, some cactus fruits. Peel, clean, and let us make this amazing drink for the men. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So every day men go out to hustle for the family, especially an African man who is responsible, who is a man, a real man, not just any other man, a real man that takes care of his family. He leaves the house every day to hustle, to bring food, to bring money, to buy cars, to do everything that you can think of. And this is what we call beetroot. This is a fresh beetroot that I have inside the fridge. One of the things that I love about beetroot is that they can last for months inside the fridge without them going bad. This is a bit shrink, but it is still good for consumption. As I was saying, our men leave the home every day. I know when you are handling beetroot, please make sure you wear hand gloves, or else you are going to have colored fingers. It is very, very important. And do not cut beetroot on top of your chopping board. They can go colored. And this is some protein powder and also some Greek yogurt just to spice up the thing. So the men, and then you add a little water to make it very, very easy for the blender. Okay, and if you like, you can add plant-based milk if you like. So the men go out every day, and honestly, things are becoming very difficult. Things are becoming very, very challenging. And sometimes when my husband comes home, I just look at his face and is tired. And then I wonder for those who have businesses, who has to hustle every day to bring in food for the family. And as a woman of the house, it is your responsibility to take care of your household sometimes, especially when it comes to fruits, vegetables, nutrition, and stuff like that. Try your best. Try your best. Everything I used inside this video, you must not use everything. Just use the things that are in your environment, things that you can find in your local market. Sometimes my husband does not, it's not even sometimes, many men do not like chewing fruits, chewing vegetables. But if you are creative with them, if you can blend it for them at the end of the day, I'm very, very sure they will come around and they will drink it. Make sure you prepare something for him every day when he comes back from work, just to nourish him. All the sweat, all the thinking, and all that, you just nourish him and he'll be grateful. Thank you so much, and I hope this video helps you, and I hope you are able to learn one or two things. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Let's go and give my husband this. Look at him. Thank you guys. Do not forget to share, like, and comment. It is your girl. Have a nice night. Bye.